We want to get paid, don't we? Welcome back. This is Andy Brown again, never too old to start. This is part of your Kajabi tutorial, so we can learn how to make an easy extra 6 figures a year online for our retirement off of Kajabi, my preferred online platform for course creation and building up a following. What I'm going to do right now is work you through actually setting up the payment integration links for Stripe and PayPal, so that, by the way, you can get paid. So log on to your Kajabi platform. If you don't have one, go to www.ntotskajabi.com, and I'm going to give you access to 28-day free trial. Excellent. Here we are on our product screen in our Kajabi account. Do you see down here over on the left, down the bottom, where it says Kajabi Partners and Settings? Click on Settings. And what you're really going to want is payment integrations. Now, there's Stripe and there's PayPal. My guess is you don't have either one. So it's stripe.com and Start Now. Click on the Start Now button and just put your information in. Then go to paypal.com and do the same thing. Sign up, business account, or personal. I guess that's really up to you. With me, it's a business account. Next, and put your information in, and you are pretty much on your way. Then go back to your Kajabi platform with settings. Click on, now I already have a Stripe account filled up here, but for instance, PayPal, I would just put my information in there, follow the instructions, and you are ready to start accepting payments. Would you believe it's just that easy? But now you can get paid. Tell all your friends and subscribe, because I've got a ton of videos and help coming your way in a lot of different areas. Let's make an easy extra 6 figures a year in income online. By the way, it is never too old to start.